Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Info tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu. Info tab. There are 4 sections. First section is Protect Presentation. Second section is Inspect Presentation. Third section is Manage Presentation. Fourth section is Properties. Let's begin with first section, that is Protect Presentation. Under Protect Presentation, there are 4 options. First option is Mark as Final. That is, we can let readers know that presentation is final and convert it into read-only mode. Second option is Encrypt with Password, that is, presentation will be encrypted with password. Third option is Restrict Access. That is, restrict access using IRM, that is, Information Rights Management. Fourth option is Add a Digital Signature. That is, add digital signature using Digital ID. Next section is Inspect Presentation. Under Check for Issues, there are 3 options. First option is Inspect Document, that is, check the presentation for hidden properties or personal information. Second option is Check Accessibility. That is, check the presentation for content that people with disabilities might find difficult to read. Third option is Check Compatibility. That is, check for features not supported by earlier versions of PowerPoint. Next section is Manage Presentation. Under Manage Presentation, there is one option, that is Recover Unsaved Presentations. We can recover unsaved presentations which are closed by mistake, without saving. Next section is Properties. Under Properties, we can get size, slides, hidden slides, words, notes, title, tags, comments, multimedia clips, presentation format, template, status, categories, subject, hyperlink base, company and key points. Under Related Dates, we can get last modified, created and last printed. Under Related People, we can get manager, author and last modified by. Under Related Documents, we can open file location. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Microsoft PowerPoint interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.